Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links 007 TV, bringing you the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. Bless up the viewers and subscribers, how you all doing? There's a bit of quick update to give you as it relates to recording artist, the Shenyang boss, Shenseea. So Shenseea made a post on her social media platform recently that she would be unable to attend a number of shows that she was booked for, I think 4 in total in the United States, after she became ill. And she made a post on her Instagram page that she was ill and she's actually in the hospital. Well, details surrounding her illness is still unknown up to the publication of this report, but many fans have took to social media and hoping that she makes a full recovery. As you know, Shenseea has been tipped to be one of Jamaica's most international breakout recording artists, and she has been doing a number of stints in America in recent weeks, and it's very sad to see what happened right now, even though details is still not clear as to the level of her illness or how severe her illness is at this current moment. Her fans right now are hoping that she make a full and speedy recovery. As I said before, we do not know of the severity of her illness, but she posted a video of herself laying in a hospital bed with what appears to be a hospital name tag on one of her hands. But it's very sad to see what happened there, and we're just hoping for the best for her, as she has been one of those recording artists that still continue to dominate and has been dominating not only the local but also on the international scene, as she made an appearance at Kanye West's album launch recently, and I can tell you that was well put together, and she has been one of those recording artists that's still been talked about despite the adversities and also the negativity that surrounds certain issues relating to her being linked to Kanye West and also featured on Kanye West's album. But all I can say, Shenseea is a top recording artist, and she is one of those artists that I said really looks as if she could be one of Jamaica's big international superstar. And despite what people might be saying and despite what people are saying, she still continues to just put herself out there and still continue to do good music that is reaching the mass of population right across the world. And as you know, her manager, who is Rami, still continues to support her and still continues to push her to great extent, and that's how she's on that international platform right now. But all I can say is wish her a speedy recovery and hope that I could get more information to update you, the general public, as it relates to what really happened to her. But at this time, the information is very sketchy as it relates to her illness. So we just want to say that we wish her good health and speedy recovery. Alright, so that has been Links 007 TV, and I hope that you guys are doing fine. It's a Friday. I can't believe it's actually the end of the week already. So I hope that you guys just continue to just do what you're doing and be safe as always and protect yourself in the best possible way. Alright? Peace out from Links 007 TV family, and get well soon to Shenseea. Alright? Have a blessed and productive day. Links TV signing out for this one.